this is Chinmayi, and after like some 50,000 years I'm finally doing a video. This is me in my slightly damp haired glory, and today I'm going to be trying for the first time Color Wow's Dream Cocktail Carb-Infused leave-in treatment. Apparently it instantly thickens and adds volume. So now there's this hairdresser that I follow on Instagram called Chris Appleton, and this is he's basically the global director, international director or something of this brand. And what this product claims is that you can instantly fatten up fine limp hair. Now these are magic words for me, considering how thin and limp my hair generally is, and it doesn't hold style. I have mentioned that several times on this channel. So if you have naturally fine hair, or if your hair has lost mass, as it says in the label, from color processing or anything else, this product apparently instantly adds mass and fullness. It's loaded with cellulose, oat bran and cornstarch and apparently gets activated with the heat from a blow dryer, and boom, apparently your hair gets fatter instantly and feels luxurious. Now all of this, it completely sold it. So I'm going to be trying this leave-in treatment today. Okay. Okay. So this says that allow for 2-3 pumps into the palm after shampooing and conditioning. Towel dry hair lightly and then do this. Now I think I basically spread this product throughout my hair, and now I'm going to see how this works. Actually, one of the easiest ways to, it's a hack of sorts, is to make your hair look voluminous, is when you generally even air dry or dry your hair with your head basically tumbled down like that, and then you just go in the reverse. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do this off camera and come right back to show you the difference, at least from the right and the left side. Okay, so this is the finished look. It does look like there's a lot of lift here, but the point is, how long does this last, right? So I used the slightly smoothing attachment on the Dyson air wrap. As a default, it's not something that's going to give any volume, but since this product said that it's heat activated, I tried to build lift while I was drying, and also basically had my hair upside down to see if that can also bring in some amount of volume and lift. So it does look like at least the front and this portion of my hair has a certain lift, and it does look dense. But as with the kind of hair types that are like mine or similar to mine, we all know that as the day progresses, or on day 2 or something like that, our hair tends to fall a little flat, especially when we use product. So sometimes my conditioner is never, not sometimes, all the time, the conditioner is never close to the roots. I leave quite a bit of distance, and then even if I want to condition, I just condition from here, right? So that it just doesn't go pachak with my scalp. Of course, conditioning is very important, especially for the tips of your hair, so that you can prevent split ends. Whatever your product of choice is, you can go ahead and do that. Now, this is more or less how my hair looks, and I should probably take a couple of photos through this day to see how my hair looks at the end of today. Alright, until I see you next time, this is Chinmayi saying bye-bye. So this is how my hair looks about 8 hours after doing that video. I've had a long day, I have traveled, plus I've also napped with this hair. So I guess the lift is still there as I see this. So I guess this product works. I'm just going to see how it is tomorrow. Okay, that's that.